What's up YouTube, it's Louis here bringing you today's cryptocurrency video. We're going to take a look at Quant, and my god, we did have some very nice bullish news yesterday. The Fed announcing that the interest rates are going to stay the same. They'll only increase them around March and maybe even push that back to May. And they said that the economy is going to have a crazy bounce. So how are they going to do this? We need the stock market to pump. We know the stock market is the fakest market of them all. Why? Because it's just full of fake money, printed money that's just been pumped in by the government because they need the economy to keep growing basically. And so to do that, they need to print money. And what does printing money do? It equals bullish for crypto. Why? Because the more currency, the more total supply there is, if they keep increasing that, the value will go down. And that's why Bitcoin will keep going up, because of its scarcity. There will forever be 21 million coins and never more, only less because of lost coins and so on. So this is why this is this is very bullish news. What would be crazier, like even more bullish news, is like, let's say Apple or Amazon getting into crypto. That would have much larger impacts on this. All this news event is basically saying is that the bull run's going to continue. And we just needed news like that, because if the news didn't come out yesterday, then we would have seen a lot of the charts carry on rolling over, which I was speaking about yesterday. But it seems that like a lot of that has been invalidated because of the bullish news. I think yesterday I put a fib retracement from here to here, and we came down to that 0618, and we carried on going up, rolled back over, and we've held that 0618 again. So could this be a potential double bottom? This red candle over here is what I've explained in today's Bitcoin update. It's a bullish hammer. I go through a lot of detail about that, but in short, it's a bullish continuation pattern. Come up, come down, bullish continuation. So we have a neckline over here, and we now have a bullish a double bottom, but it's not valid yet. So if we were to break this neckline sitting at basically $200, if we were to break above $200, we'd have a target at the swing high over here sitting about $220. So it's looking good at the moment, to be honest, guys. But again, if it wants to go down, it will, you know what I mean? Lose the 0618, confirm it as resistance, lose the EMAs, then we will roll over again basically, and we could come down to the one where you could form a large double bottom like this. But I'm not seeing that at the moment because you're holding that 0618. So at the moment I'm seeing this double bottom, but it's not valid until you break $198. If you do lose this 0618 and the 1 as well, we do have a target now at the 1618 at 139. And as you can see, guys, the higher we go, the higher up the technical target, because I think if we lost this low, our technical target would have been much lower. But now we keep creeping up, the technical targets to the downside keep going higher and higher basically. So it's looking good in that sense. Let's take a look at the RSI. I haven't looked at it yet. So let's see, that's higher. Okay, yeah, you have slight bullish divergence actually, guys, because on the chart you're getting higher lows. But on the RSI, if you can see, you actually had a very slight. Can you see that? If I zoom in more, you had lower lows there. So this is some bullish divergence on the chart that I'm seeing at the moment. Of course, it can get invalidated. How? If you start putting in a lower low and then here lower low as well, that would get invalidated. Or it just means that it's not bullish divergence, because here you need higher lows and here you're having lower highs. Lower lows. So yeah, that's it for Quant. Of course, let me get you some bullish targets as well. Completely forgot about that. So measuring from the swing high to the swing low, because we know that the dip is done at the moment because it started going back up. We are still below that golden pocket. So I do want to see Quant get above that golden pocket, because it could mean that this is in the short term a small dead cat bounce if we keep failing to get above that 0618. If you do lose the 236, basically you're going to roll over to that 0, and we've gone through the technical targets to the downside. So it'd be a move like this basically: down, exhaustion, continuation, all the way to that 1618. But if you're not losing that 0, or if you're not even losing the 236, basically if you're holding above this, basically we will work our way up. If you can confirm the 0618 or the golden pocket as support, we'll then continue to these new targets. Boom. So your new target, if you were to break above the golden pocket and confirm that as support, if you were to break above 197 to 206, confirm that support, we will head to the 1618 at 293. Perfect, guys. I hope you enjoyed this update. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you guys for your support. I always appreciate it all. So I will be doing that 1,000 subscriber giveaway for my crypto course. That will be coming out probably on the weekend. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.